Did you know there's a jellyfish that can potentially live forever? It's called the Turritopsis dohrnii, also known as the immortal jellyfish. This tiny jellyfish has the unique ability to revert its cells back to their earliest form, starting its life cycle anew. When injured or threatened, it can transform back into its juvenile state and begin life all over again. This incredible process is called transdifferentiation, allowing it to bypass death and regenerate indefinitely. Scientists study this jellyfish to understand its secrets, which might unlock new insights into human aging and regeneration. So next time you think about immortality, remember there's a jellyfish in the ocean that has already cracked the code. Subscribe for more amazing animal facts.